What's up, YouTubers? Here working on a P1128 P1130.
This engine setup right here, the Audi 4.2 S4. There's a few other, the A8s have the 4.2. So if you're experiencing, now this can be a variety of things, but this is just my case and it may be your case. If you're experiencing codes right here, fuel trim bank 1 system 2 lean and fuel trim bank 2 system 2 lean, P1130 and P1128.
First thing you want to do is check for vacuum leaks right over here.
Brake booster line up here from the elbow going down into here. Now I found that the most common area on the 4.2, the thing that does break over time, is right here where the brake booster connects. There's a suction jet pump. This thing right here, I'm gonna get the phone a little closer. So this suction pump, it ends up over time malfunctioning. Also, the throttle body gasket tends to be a little leaky over time. Hope that helps you. Once again, this suction jet pump, those things are very inexpensive. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, and please feel free to ask me any questions you have. If you have a code, maybe I can help you work on it. But in any case, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe.